Hello guys, this video I will try just to let you know what I am doing in this channel and what about my training levels and every help I can give to people who need help, who just ask help. Okay, now there are a lot of people, they want like a shortcut to understanding trading skills. And I see this when the people, they comment or they send me a private message, I understand their point, okay? And I understand also that they don't understand a lot of things. That's why they ask this kind of questions, okay? Someone was sending me private emails, and he thinks that there is like something which is magical, which I know if he knows he can make money. And this is when I know what he's thinking, I just laugh. I say, man, people, they stay years, they spend they lost a lot of money in order to understand these things that I am telling you about. Okay, it's not something that you get from books like this directly and you can apply and then you make money. Making money, you need patience, you need to learn. That's why in all my trainings, why I put them like training 1 level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means I'm just trying to help people understand bit by bit what I am doing and what are my strategies. Okay? Sometimes when the whole market is up, you can use training level 2, my training level 2, which is how to search for stocks using stock screener, or training level 3, how to search for stocks using industry index. Okay, these two trainings is most of the time anything moves as a stock in the market, you will get it, you will see it. Okay, and you will see if it is just a false signal or it is a true signal. And for those, you will find a lot of deals when you search daily. Okay, now sometimes there are like industries and sectors, they go down. If you can just get like from the bottom, as they say, with bottom, which is so difficult. If you want to get the support, the real support line, and you get a real trade, this needs a lot of attempts sometimes. So it's not easy. That's why this how training level 13, how to buy from the support line or the bottom line, this is so difficult. That's why I let it for those who understand the stocks that go up first, which is, I'm not saying easy, but just with simple searching criteria and selection in training level 4, how to select stocks. I will give you selections, and by this you can select best stocks. You don't need a lot of stocks. You need only 1 or 2. If you succeed in 1, you stay 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month or 2, and you make that much money. That's it, what you want. Don't understand that training, like swing trading, you should buy 15 stocks each time, and then you make money. You can't make money like this because, you know, commissions. And if you buy the same industry, you will have problems, because if the industry goes down, you will lose all the stocks that you buy in the same industry or the same sector. Okay, so there are a lot of things to learn. Now, in order to learn all this stuff, you need time, you need to be patient. If you are nervous, frustrated, or you have made some trades and you lost money and you are frustrated and you can't learn, your mind is not clear, you can't continue in trading. In trading, you should accept the loss first, okay? Accept it and analyze why. When you go through training, you will understand why you are making losses. Okay, there is one guy from India. He told me, okay, I bought two stocks. One is a big stock and one is a small stock and like a medium stock, and I lost money, but I don't know why. Okay, I told him, okay, as usual, when I want to study a stock, I need to know if it is from the resistance line. I need to know what is this resistance line date and price. What is the day that he bought, the price, and where is the stop loss, and he gave me when he exited the trade with the price. At least I will see what's the problem. Now I find that a stock is going 9 points a day. This stock is so volatile, so strong, okay? And he put like a stop loss with $3. I say, okay, here we have a problem with the stop loss. Two problems. Problems with the stop loss because you don't know, you have no idea what you are doing. This is the first thing. Because how can a stock moves $9 and you put $3 stop loss? It means the next day you will exit because he will move down 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, and then he might go up. So you will be out of the trade, so you don't know how to use stop loss. This is one problem, that you should go to training level 6 and you try to study again and see your problem. Because if you don't study, there is no need to trade because you will do the same mistakes. Now, when you do the same mistakes, how can you get different results? As Einstein has said, I find this saying of Einstein, you know, the famous mathematician. He said, if you do the same steps, the same thing, the same techniques, the same skills, you will get the same result. Okay, so if you do the same mistakes, you will get the same results. Okay, let's see. The second mistake is that he has no idea what does it mean a volatile stock. There are some stocks that are slow by nature. Now, what do I mean by nature? It means for a certain time, they don't jump up and down. They just go slowly. Let's say a stock goes 20 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents, 70 cents. Whatever is the stock, even the stock is $70 or $50, it goes slowly. When you see this stock, it goes like this, it is slow. So when you want to do a stop loss, it should be tighter than a stock that goes $6, $7 a day. You should go with the risk. If you don't like risk, why you are going to buy this kind of stocks that are volatile? Okay. Now, if you tell me, okay, I will not use the stop loss anymore, and if it is volatile, if it can go down and go up again, I will be okay. But I told him, who tells you that the stock, when it goes down, it will go up in the same day or in the other days? Who tells you? It might go from $40, it go to $30 in one day. Now you think that the other day it will go up, and from 30 it goes to 25, from 25 to 20, and then you will see all your money disappear. And these mistakes that I am always speaking about in my channel, these mistakes that you should take care of and correct. And since we are at the end of the year, now we are November, we have next month, which is December, we finish this year, which is 2016, if God wills, if we are still alive. So try to correct your mistakes at least before the coming of the next year, and you will be fresh, and you will begin fresh with new techniques. The thing is, for example, as I'm doing now, all my training levels by videos, which is our levels, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some levels are not typically the same. For example, training level 11, which is how to short a stock. Okay, these are for advanced students. If you are just a beginner, forget about shorting the stock. Okay, you can short the stock with other means. Okay, I will tell you later what are these means. But for now, if you are a beginner, you just 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, don't think a lot about shorting. And most of the time, shorting should be in day trading. It means you do it in the day. When you see in the morning a troubled day, and you see the market has gone down before the market, you understand that it might be continuing like this. You select some stocks that you want to short, and then you use techniques to short the stock in the morning. Okay, at least you will. If there is a problem, you just go and buy back the shares, and you are safe. It means even if you lose 100 or $50 or 200 or 300, you lose that money. At least you can get out from the trade very easily. Okay, now I have another training about investing, but for those who try to understand dividend, try to understand different stocks, try to understand that when you buy stocks with dividend, they are different. They are different kind of stock. They are not the same. And another thing which is very important is tax. There are some stocks when you invest for the long run, they are not the same. Okay, some are taxed more than others, and if you don't know this and you have stocks in your account and you don't know this information, man, you will lose a lot of money from the tax. Okay, then we have this training, which is training level 17. I tried to put 28 problems that you can face in your trading. Now, why you see 28 problems? You say it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, but why it is 28? 28 because you don't know other kind of problems that you are in, and these problems will take your money away, but you don't know them. Okay, you will never know because you just trade. You think that you buy a stock on the right time, and you put stop loss, you follow it, and you exit. But at the end of the year, you see you are losing money, but you don't know what's wrong. Now this is a guide, and the last training level 18. How to short the whole market using ETFs. I have spoken this in YouTube, but I put a small training, and you can follow the steps how to short, when to short with stocks. It means the ETFs is like stocks. It's not like when you short a stock, which is different. Here you are just buying a stock. If the market goes down, your stock will go up and you make money. It's so simple. I give when to do that, and I showed by showing my chart, and I will show you how to do this in real. Okay, now all these trainings are different. Okay, so if you are interested in one training, just get it. if you like the information or you have questions, you just ask questions. I am always here to answer the questions, and there are a lot of people who just when they get confused or they don't know what is it or like that, they ask me questions by email. This, and for me, I always ask for an example, because I'm not doing theory in my training. The training that I do is always practical. It means whenever you get the information, it is a practical information. So just talking theory, it doesn't help. But there are some concepts that you should understand in theory before going to practice. If you don't understand them, you will never understand the training. For example, you think that there is a strategy that gives you exactly the day you buy a stock, and it is a sure thing, 100% you make money. This is a false concept that you have. If you continue with this, what you will be doing? You will be searching things that doesn't exist. That's why some people, they go online and they begin searching for people telling them that that there are sure things. Just give $1,000, $2,000 or whatever it does, just a little money, and you become a millionaire in 1 year or two if you follow these techniques. You know, it's so hard. Okay, it's not a true thing. It doesn't exist. And if you don't, you will stay 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, and then you understand that this thing doesn't exist. Now, what is the thing that exists? It's probabilities. All the professional traders, all the investors, okay, they do some selection. Some goes good, some goes bad. This is trading or investing or whatever. Okay, there is someone who knows when he buys something that it should be a success in each time. Okay, there is no one. Now, the training levels by videos, I try to make the same training in ebooks, which is PDF file. And there are some people who doesn't like videos. They like just to read and to see the chart and to follow step by step, and they don't like videos. And some other people, they like cheaper things. For example, the ebooks are 75% cheaper, which is discount. They like it better than to go to videos. And both of them, you know, you have the ability to go and watch the videos at any time you like. So a lot of people, they try to understand trading, and they understand skills and how to make money. This needs patience, needs to study and to learn. Okay, so it's not something that you can get like in 1 day or two and you understand everything. Or some other people who think that there is a magic, there is something that it is hidden, and all the people who make money, they hide this information. If he gets it, that's why I see a lot of comments, and I begin to just speak with them about the thing, and he told me there is something. I say this something you should learn. You study, you learn, you need patience, you need to spend some money, either for the market when you do false trades or losers. This is part of the game. Okay. For those who are scared, who can't lose money trading, I'm telling you from the beginning, don't waste your time. If you are scared to lose $100, $200 or $50 or whatever you waste, it means you lose. You think that there is something. When you begin trading, you begin trading, and it's like a machine, a money machine. Buy, wait, or hold for a few days, you make money. Buy, hold for a few days, make money. Buy, hold for a few days, No, this is a stupid thing. Who tells you that swing traders are doing like this? You can attempt many times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, for example, to get the support line from a stock. But believe me, when you get it wrong, when you get it good, because when you get it wrong, you have a stop loss and you exit the trade with a small loss. But if you get it wrong, if you get it good, it will cover all your mistakes or losers, and you will make a large profit. And this is why swing trading is better than any other thing. Swing trading is not like investing. You invest for 5 years or 10 years. The stock can go 100%, 200%, 300% in 5 years or 10 years. But in swing trading, you just want to get the good thing in the market, not the bad thing, not to stay with the bad thing. Because investors are with good and bad, 50%, 50%. They stay the whole time. Now, swing traders are looking for opportunities in the market, for a trend. A stock that begins to trend, it goes up, you can make a lot of money. But when it goes down, you should exit. You shouldn't stay as an investor stays, because when you stay, sometimes you lose all your profit and you begin to lose all your money. And this is what happened to investors. Some investors, they send me emails and they give me examples what they do, and I say you should control more your money than you do before, because the past is the past. I always repeat this the same example. Someone has bought a stock until for many years, and the stock was going down, until one day the stock disappeared from his account. And this guy has bought $250,000. Understand that some people they put too much money in a stock, and they invest, and they understand that this company will make him money in the future, because he read books, or he read financials about this company. He read this analyst, they said this is the best company in the world. Okay, follow this guys and you will see. Now he tells me, what should I do? I say, did you call your broker? He say, yes. The company is no longer listed in the exchange, and it's bankrupt. You can contact those who do the bankruptcy phone number and call them, and they see if there is some money that he can get. Understand that those who, what we call with the preferred shares, this is a kind of, not the common shares that we have in the stock market. There are some other that are called preferred shares. Those people are given money first if the company has money. They sell everything and they give them some money. Most of the common, you and I, like who bought stocks in the public, most of us, you will get nothing. Okay? Now here, I'm not speaking about a company that goes from public to private. No, because understand this, it is not bankruptcy. There are some, a lot of people, they ask me why a company go from public to private. It's just they don't want to stay anymore, so get listed, and they want, because their company, maybe their company, they see that it will be doubled or tripled in 1 year or two, because they know a lot, because these guys, they know a lot, so they don't want other people to get as much as money as them. So they sell all the shares of the company and they give you your money, and the company disappear from the exchange. Okay? Now there is another guy with another example who he bought the stock at $100. After a few years, now it is 25. He asked me the question, now what should I do? I told him, The company was 100. The stock is 25. What do you expect as you expect as an investor? He told me, oh, I should wait more and see. Okay. I say him, if you want this, put stop loss on the price that you want to exit if it goes to, and exit. But I told him, I'm not going to go to the past and to make him feel that he has lost a lot. But I told him, you should learn how to control your risk in investing or in trading stocks. Now, if you don't understand what is risk, you should go and learn how to control your risk. In my trainings, I have a lot of trainings that speak about this, that give you models, that give you what to do, what not to do, what are the things that makes you more money, what are the things that eats your money and eats your profit. There are a lot of things you should understand. Okay, so for you guys, try. The more you ask questions, the more you send me a private message, I can help you by answering some of your questions. If it is general questions related to something, or you have a problem with the stock or the company or whatever, and you want just to get my opinion, it's just an opinion. I don't advise anyone. Anyone is free. You go to the market, you buy a stock with 1 cent, or you buy a stock with $1,000. It's your problem. You do whatever. You are free. You are an adult, and you are a responsible trader. You should always be responsible and do what is good for you. Okay, not for what other people ask you to do for you, because it is your, at the end, it is your money. Some people they go because they told them that go to forex, which is currency pairs, go to options, go to futures, you can make a lot of money, which is true. But if you know how to trade, if you don't know how to trade, if you go to futures, for example, a contract, you have $5,000. If you stay a few hours, your 5,000 is gone. If you stay more, you don't put stop loss, you will be in debt and you will have a real problem. So understand that trading, there are a lot of vehicle of investment like futures, options, and currency pairs. If you don't put stop loss and you know what you are doing, you can make money, but if you understand the trading. Now, for me, I always suggest, this is just my opinion, anyone who wants to go to more difficult and more risky stuff, begin with stocks. When you invest, because stocks is very easy. If you buy a stock at $20 and you buy 100 shares, tomorrow it goes up $1, you make $100. So it's so easy. It goes down $1, you lose $100. So it is so easy in terms of control. You can control better than the other stuff like forex, currency pairs, or options, or futures. Okay, so understand that. Understand the stock market, understand trading, like swing trading, as we do, and then you can go wherever you want if you make money from the stock market. Okay, so thank you very much. I was just a reminder, I will the ebooks are 75%, and by Sunday, by this next Sunday, it will be 50% only. So please, for those who have not ordered ebooks right now, just do it before the price goes up. Thank you very much. If you have questions, you have ask questions, comment here or ask questions, and subscribe to the channel if you don't. Thank you very much and have a nice day.